We will know about the cell. There is a two types of cell. First is primary cells and the second is secondary cells. In a primary cell, what is primary cell? In a primary cells, we can say these cells which provide current as a result of irreversible chemical reaction. That means chemical reaction is irreversible. If once all the chemical is used into the कन्वर्ट टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इफ इट इज़ कम्प्लीटेड, अगर ये पूरी की पूरी अपनी केमिकल को बदल देता है करंट में, ये सेल है आपकी पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव. इफ इट इज़ कनेक्टेड इन अ circuit to glow whatever where it is used, okay, that is glow of the bulb. After some time you will see that battery become all chemical energy convert into electrical energy. Once it is consumed, you will change next another cell, you will take another cell. So primary cell, that chemical reaction is irreversible. इसको एक बार हमने यूज़ किया फिर दोबारा यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. So that's why it is a discarded cell. We can say the cells are discarded after use when the entire chemical energy in them has been converted into electrical energy, and that is why it is also known as, so that is why it is known as use and throw. एक बार हमने यूज़ किया फिर उसको थ्रो कर दिया. And in secondary cell, and if we talk about the secondary cells chemical reaction is reversible. That means it is chargeable. When it is used, all chemical energy change into electrical energy. You will see on charging it, when you will charge such type of cell, you will see electrical energy convert into chemical energy. So we can say in a secondary cell, that is chemical energy convert into electrical energy and electrical energy change into chemical energy. That is why it is a reversible, having a reversible and rechargeable cell, that is accumulator cells. So, and in a primary cell, only once chemical energy change into electrical energy, but in secondary cell, chemical energy first convert into electrical also convert into chemical, that is rechargeable, and this is discarded, मतलब use and throw. Primary cell use as a use and throw, and secondary cell use as a rechargeable cell. Okay, you may differentiate it also. Okay, primary cells that is not recharged, that is not rechargeable, and secondary cell can be rechargeable or recharged. In a primary cell, internal resistance, which is denoted as small r, internal resistance is high, and in secondary cells, internal resistance is low. What is internal resistance? First we have to understand internal resistance is the same as resistance, which is persists the current to flow in a circuit. That means internal resistance, that is resistance of the cell. In electrolyte and electro, what is persistence offered, that is known as internal resistance. That means if you take electrodes and there is electrolyte, these ions, there is electrolysis phenomena happened, and in electrolysis phenomena that ions takes place, the charge cannot be deposited over the electrode easily. They are collide to one another, and this collision makes a offered a persistent, or you can say there is a obstruction takes place to flow the charge easily, and that makes a internal resistance inside the cell. So we can say in a primary cell, internal resistance is high, and this internal resistance, and in secondary cell the internal resistance is low and high. That is why now internal resistance is high, that means current is low. In a primary cells, weak current is provide. We can say because the internal resistance is very high, it is capable of giving only weak current. But in a secondary cell, we get a low current as well as high current as requirement, जैसा आपको चाहिए होगा. So we can say secondary cells use as a low current and as well as high current. Primary cell are very compact, बहुत छोटा होता है. So primary cell is light, हल्का होता है, लाइट एंड चीप सा, सस्ता भी होता है. बट सेकेंडरी सेल इट इज़ हैवी, बट if we compare with the secondary cell, it is heavy and costly. Heavy, you must be seen the in a car battery or inverter, the battery is very heavy. So we can say the secondary cell, which is used as a recharged battery, it is heavy and costly. So there is some differences between the primary cell and secondary cell, and that's all about the primary and secondary cell. There is some example. There is some example of primary cell, that is dry cell, voltaic cell. Some example of primary cell is Voltaic cell, Lagrange cell, Daniell cell, Dry cell. It is all used as a primary cell. And the example of secondary cell is lead accumulator, which act as a acid, and nickel iron accumulator, which can be alkali cell, or Leon hydrogen battery. That all is the example of secondary cell.